Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful spiral fascinator that is showing on your screen. If you do not know how I got to this point, you need to watch the video on how I achieved this by clicking on the link that is showing on your screen right now. So what you need to achieve this particular crinoline spiral fascinator is your Alice band. You need this particular crinoline. I already have it covered with my bias. Now the length of my crinoline is 40 inches. So just watch the direction of my fingers and you'll get this. This particular spiral fascinator is easy peasy. It is easy to make. So keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. I would love to see yours. Just send me what you've made through the WhatsApp number that is showing on your screen right now. At this point, I'm going to attach my spiral fascinator on my Alice band, okay? So just watch carefully. It is easy peasy. You must not use a fishing line kind of thread like this transparent kind of thread I'm using. You can use a matching color of thread, okay? A color that would match your spiral fascinator or your spiral headpiece. So I will just attach it properly, attach the other end too. So if you have been watching closely, you'll notice that I have been trying to make invisible stitches, and I'm just trying to ensure that I properly attach my crinoline spiral fascinator on my Alice band. Okay, so feel free to attach on more than 3 points, okay? But ensure that while doing that, your crinoline spiral fascinator comes out very neat and beautiful, okay? So just keep watching and learning. Remember to practicalize. The next thing I'm actually going to do here is just to wrap my Alice band, okay, using a matching color of bias, okay. In this case, I'll be using red. I'll wrap the Alice band on which my crinoline fascinator, spiral fascinator is seated on, okay. Now, if, for instance, the color of your Alice band is the same thing as the color of your crinoline spiral, now you can decide to just use your bias to cover just the inner part of the Alice band, so that it can cover the thread that you stitched. Else, just wrap up the whole Alice band the way I will do. So I have a video on how to wrap your Alice band. Just click on the link that is showing on your screen right now and watch that. Thank you for watching.